Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Online. Today we are going to learn about how to make a website for free with free hosting and free domain. So first of all, yes, we can create our free website with free hosting and domain. This is 100% free and we need to understand like some people still doesn't know about this. Uh, first of all, as you can see, I am google.com and what you need to do, you need to click on these three buttons or three dots vertically. Click on that and open incognito window. So we are going to work on this, right? So the first website which you need to go at is Freenom. But right now I'm just going to search again google.com, and I'm going to search Freenom. So this is the first one, the first website, freenom.com, and click on that. So let's just suppose I want to create a website for this channel, right? And you can just check the availability over here. But first we need to understand like what is Freenom. So Freenom is a company that provides free domain name registration services, right? And they offer a variety top level domains like such as TK, ML, GA, and CF, which can be registered and used for free for a certain period of time, like usually 12 or 24 months. After that, you can just renew your registration for another period at no cost or choose it let it expire. It's all on you. So Freenom also provide like services such as privacy protection and premium DNS and their core services free domain name registration. And it is important to note that as a free services, there may be limitation, right? And some potential issues that may rise. For example, there is less control on domain name, obviously, and renewal process may be tricky. There could be ads on domain page, and email sent from the address may be blocked by some email providers. So these are some things which you need to know about Freenom, and let's go create our domain. But before you go ahead and create your domain, first of all you need to click on sign in. You need to create your own account on Freenom first of all, right? So I'm just gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna open that up in my new tab, and you can just go with the individual email and Facebook, or even sign in, like it's all on you. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. So once you signed in, as you can see over here, you need to enter your domain name over here to check availability. Why? Because obviously we need to check availability on the internet that it doesn't have the same name like the name I have right now. So once you enter your details over here and click on check availability, it will take you right over here, and here you will understand like what is going on. So get one of these domains, they are free. These are the domains which are free, and obviously you can see that it doesn't cost you at all. So you can choose any domain from over here and click on get it now, or go with this, get this. There are 4 options over here, so select one of that and it will take you here. So this is where you are going to select your plan. Remember to always click on this plan. Why? Because like by default it shows you like 3 or 4 months free. So once you click on it, it will show up these options, and you can just go with the 12 months, or if you want to go more than the 12 months you have to pay. But once you click on 12 months for like a year, it would be free, and after a year you can just you can just re-signed in and replan with same plan like 12 months free, so you don't have to pay. So just remember that after 12 months you have to come back over here, you have to select the plan again, like 12 months free, and that's it. So once you select this, click on continue. After that you will end up over here, and you can see that this is our domain and it has been activated, as you can see over here. So from now on, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up new tab. From there you are going to search Infinity Free. But before you go further and search for Infinity Free, you need to do one more thing. I forgot about that, so I just had to mention that. Click on manage domain, because you are going to put some things to obviously our domain is ready, so we need to connect our hosting too, right? So this is where you are going to connect your hosting. So Infinity Free is in a hosting platform or website, you can see that. So right now click on manage domain. Over here, as you can see, name servers and register glue records. So you will end up on information, as you can see on the back of this menu. And what you need to do, you need to click on management tools, click on name servers, because we are going to connect that to our hosting. After that, it would seem something like this, and as you can see, use default name servers, but we are going to name custom name server. So if you click on custom name servers, something come up like this, and you are going to enter details from Infinity Free to over here on these options. Why? Because we need to connect both of them, so like hosting and domain, right, to create our website. Once you've done that, you will go to your Infinity Free, and on the left side you have domain, and obviously once you add infinityfree.com, and you need to create your account first. So once you create all of that, account is free, by the way. So you need to click on domain and DNS on the left side of the menu, and how to add your own domain to your account. So click on that, you will end up over here. You will find those two server name over here. So you are going to copy these two, and you will take that. So once you've done that, like you paste those name servers. So after that, click on change name server, because this is our custom name server, and in that way we can connect our domain to our hosting. So after that, you will end up here on your hosting account, and remember to like you can see over here, create a hosting account. What do you need to do? You need to click on custom domain, enter your domain name, which we have chosen like at the start of this video on Freenom. Once you enter that, it will take you over here, and you can see that you can just set up your password for your future to remember that, and your account label. Even though you can change this account label, it's just like a name. So you can just enter those details, click on create account, and here we are. After that, after everything you have done, you have connected your domain to your hosting, you have created your hosting account, you have created your domain account, everything has been done. The one thing is left is website. So let's just say you want to create your website on WordPress. So over here you can see on infinityfree.com, you can see that after creating your hosting account and doing every single thing, you will end up over here, and you can just see open control panel. So it also called cPanel, because control panel. So this is the back end of all hosting. So click on open control panel, and you will find Softy Creators, might be wrong by pronouncing this, and apps installer. So click on this. This is where you are going to select your WordPress website, WordPress to install your in your hosting. So click on this. It will take you over here, and you can see on the top, the first one is WordPress. Click on WordPress, obviously, because we are going to create from WordPress, and you are going to select your theme, and you are going to enter all the details, like what is your domain, and what is your domain password, what is your hosting password, all those stuff which we have already done. And on the last option, we will find this, where you are going to select your these are the themes. So this is only for the starter, by the way. So just click on any theme you want, and here we are. So WordPress have been installed, your website has been done, your domain has been done, and your hosting has been done. So everything has been done very successfully. And you can see over here, if you click on this link, this will take you to the domain which you have already created. And if you click on this is where you are going to edit your domain, like your website. So this is your WordPress website, and here you are going to edit your WordPress website which you have already created from your themes. So this is how you know how to create a free website with free domain and free hosting account. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please comment down below if you have any queries or any questions, and please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.